Yes, I see it moving across the country. In fact, it has started already. The law that was enacted there has been called and is known as the Car Buyer's Bill of Rights. And it gave the consumer the right not to bring a car back, as most people are reading it, but the right to purchase the right to bring the car back. And if I bring the car back, the dealership has the ability to charge a restocking fee in taking that car back in. So the legislation as it was first introduced would have been borderline catastrophic for dealers there. You can't sell a car and then just blindly have customers have the right to bring the car back and not know what to do with your trade-in vehicle and how I handle the whole transaction. But what I have to be able to do if I'm a dealer there is make the appropriate disclosures to comply. Believe it or not, the hardest thing for dealers in California right now is their paperwork. It's not going to be bringing a car back that caused them a problem, because I don't know of too many customers in today's day and age, credit challenges they are, that are going to pay an extra couple $100 for the right to bring the car back and then pay a restocking fee of an excess of $100 when they do. The problem for dealers is your paperwork had to be changed to have a mandatory disclosure on the purchase agreement, and if you don't do that, you're in violation. So it's really the association educating the dealers out there, change your paperwork, change your procedures, how you present it. Not the bringing the car back that's going to be the issue. Now, this legislation has gone from there up to the New England area. Massachusetts had a bill that was introduced, and I happen to know of at least 5 or 6 other states that in the next legislative session are considering similar pieces of legislation. Will it go elsewhere? Absolutely it will. Really what we're talking about there is disclosure to consumers in the F&I part of the process. You know, they also cap some finance income there for dealers and some other things that could be done. Nothing, though, that would impact a dealer such as yourself that's running a dealership in what I would consider to be the appropriate fashion. There's almost nothing there in that Bill of Rights that would have a negative impact to a dealership, partly because of the job that the dealer associations did out there in working with the legislature. So is it going to go across the country? Yeah, like everything else, it will. It was already happening.